Another day, another story. Here are the top 10 interesting facts about our world. Number 1. Earth's age. The Earth is estimated to be around 4.54 billion years old. It's a dynamic planet that has undergone numerous transformations over its long history, from the formation of continents to the extinction of species. Number 2. Continents drift. The continents on Earth are not fixed, they slowly drift due to the movement of tectonic plates. This phenomenon is known as plate tectonics, and it continues to shape the planet's geography. Number 3. Earth's magnetic field. Earth has a magnetic field that protects it from harmful solar radiation and helps compasses work. This magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron in the planet's core. Number 4. Diverse ecosystems. Earth is home to a vast array of ecosystems, from the Amazon rainforest to the Sahara Desert. These ecosystems support an incredible diversity of life, from tiny microorganisms to large mammals. Number 5. Water dominance. Approximately 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, with the majority in the form of salt water in the oceans. Only about 2.5% of the Earth's water is freshwater, and much of that is locked in ice caps and glaciers. Number 6. Biodiversity hotspots. Earth hosts biodiversity hotspots like the Coral Triangle and the Western Ghats. These regions have an unusually high number of species, making them critically important for conservation. Number 7. Human impact. Human activities have had a profound impact on the planet, from deforestation and pollution to climate change. Understanding and mitigating these impacts are crucial for the future of the Earth. Number 8. 7 Natural Wonders. The new 7 Wonders of Nature, a global poll, includes breathtaking sites like the Amazon rainforest, Halong Bay, and Table Mountain, showcasing the planet's natural beauty. Number 9. Highest and lowest points. The highest point on Earth is Mount Everest, standing at 29,032 feet, 8,849 meters, above sea level. The lowest point is the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench, plunging to a depth of about 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters. Number 10. The Blue Planet. Earth is often referred to as the Blue Planet because of its abundance of water. This precious resource sustains life and plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate. These facts highlight the incredible diversity, history, and natural beauty of our world, as well as the challenges it faces in the modern era, making it essential to protect and preserve the Earth for future generations. Thanks for watching.